Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see Euro final match memes guys. It is very crazy, you know. Let's jump into the memes. When you realize that it cannot come home because all roads lead to Rome. Oh my god, it is not home anymore guys. The mighty cup went to Rome. Italy won. England lost. Ooh, everyone is happy guys. Many are not celebrating Italy win. Instead, the world is celebrating England's loss. What a twist to the story guys. Rest of the world, England, Italy. Nobody expected this kind of reaction from the internet guys. It is quite unbelievable. Italy, why are you helping us? I don't care if you win. I just need England to lose. Now it is England versus memes. When you walk away from your laptop and forget that your headphones are still plugged in. Guys, they took it too far. Anyway, good meme. Some people don't like football. They just want to watch England burn. All the animosity is now turned towards England, where girls cried, where boys cried, where everyone cried. Oh, the Kingsman meme. Very nice guys. Eye contact is more intimate than words will ever be. Me, my Uber driver trying to make conversation. Yeah, that is awkward. Inability to grow anything other than potatoes. The Irish. Even the Irish came to the party. Awesome. Me after doing something slightly illegal. Sound of a car stopping in front of my house. Guys, never do anything illegal, okay? Otherwise, you will be in forever fear of unknown. Me trying to help my mom find out why the house smells like weed. Great guys. Maybe it is Joe Rogan. Who knows? Congratulations, you have seen your 96,000th meme about Italy and you have unlocked Golden Italy. Oh great. Finally we have unlocked Golden Italy. This is what we are looking for guys. Finally we unlocked this achievement. The one song on my playlist that I always skip but never delete. Just let me go. Not only one song, there are many songs are like that. But we will never let you go songs. So stay there. England, I'm gonna prank football when it comes home. Day 1, day 2, day 817. Oh my god, what a twist to the tale. Me overthinking. Basic social interactions. Yes guys, our social interaction skills are going to shit. Today I learned in Finland that they used to have 400 reindeer cat accident a year. So they paint their antlers with reflective paint and this is vaguely terrifying. Wow, this is a nice idea guys. Maybe we should implement in all the parts of the world. When you kill a spider and next week your house is infected with flies. He was a hero. I just couldn't see it. That's why the Spider-Man is not homecoming. Reddit hating England and making memes about it. Me who has no idea what's going on. Hahaha, yes, die crash. Who cares about what's happening in the world? We just want to join the party and we should enjoy forever guys. England getting destroyed on the internet because a minority of the citizens are acting stupid. Cops, first time. I think maybe the internet is going too far I guess guys at this stage. England 2, German 0. Italy 1, England 1. Italy 1. Yes, revenge is sweet. But this time with different country. England football Twitter handle. I'm gonna shock the world. Oh my god. What a great shock to the world. Unbelievable guys. England, you can't defeat me. Denmark, I know. But he can. Italy, I knew it from the start guys. Reddit, when Italy scored. Finally, inner peace. Now whole Reddit users are supporting Italy. Maybe for this week alone I guess. Me an American who has no idea what's going on. Italy, England. Who cares whether you are an American, African or Australian? All we need is some rivalry and some fun. My Asian ass knowing nothing about football but still makes meme on it cause it's trending. How do you do fellow footballers? That's true guys. Now everyone is becoming a football expert. I don't know when it's going to end. Me doing something alone. When someone is watching, got struck. Yes guys, this often happens to everyone. Even the basic things are getting harder when someone is watching us, right? England loses. Reddit, you get what you effing deserve. Oh my god. Even the Joker came to the party. Guess who is laughing now? Maybe nobody got any entertainment other than this. Italy to England. You mama, you lost a Mia. That's a good one guys. Everyone making England versus Italy memes. Me who doesn't know anything about it and just upvoting memes. Even the guys who have no knowledge about football are just cheering for Italy. That's the power of memes guys. Anything other than Italy versus England memes. I can see that you are only interested in the exceptionally rare. Yes, definitely you can't avoid these kind of memes guys. It is all over the planet now. Celebration meme. Italy, England, Italy, Reddit. Exactly. Redditors are happy more than whole Italy nation itself. What a strange thing. Reddit, England losing, Italy winning, Argentina winning. Yes guys, nobody is talking about Argentina winning. Now their total focus is on England. This is totally unbelievable when the Italy memes are getting stale. But watching England get what they deserve doesn't get old. I will allow it. Yeah, everybody is having some fun with this meme. Italy, England. Now social media is breaking the England team. Life, me having amazing ideas and great ambition. These things happen only in our dreams guys. It is in natural habitat that Italian species seem to use special hand gestures around its prey. Oh, now only I understood it guys. But England players now only understood it in a hard way. All Europe, Italy. Come on Italy. This is what we want. Especially for the sake of memes. Shower curtains with pockets for your gadgets. So you can stay connected while wet. Wow, what a great idea. Already the internet is flooded with puns. This will take it to another level. Italy beats England in penalty. We won, Mr. Stark. Even the Avengers edit. This shows how bad the England position is right now in social media. Everyone, me, it's my cake day. Wow, what a fans. No pizza, only pasta. England fans, booing opponent, vandalizing stadium. Italy fans, stop putting pineapple on pizza. Guys, see how nice the Italian fans are. That's why everyone is celebrating Italy's win. Go Italy, go. Italy winning the European League. Argentina winning the American League. That's true guys. At this point, nobody cares about Argentina win. All they care about is England loss. Italy in the first half of the game. Italy in the second half of the game. Oh man, that's how you get pumped up. This is the face he always makes right before scaring all the goats. This is the perfect example for calm to storm. Me when I know nothing about sports, but everyone seem happy that everyone got a goal thingy and won. Yes, even the non-footballers are appreciating everyone. Wow, humans are on another level now. England brings on 2 new players for penalty shootout. They both miss. Even their magical moves are not working. What the England can do at this stage guys? The perfect fan poster doesn't exist. Cabby, oh my god, this is next level troll guys. When you are trying to get on Indian train, oh my god, even in Indian trains, the internet wanting England to lose 0-1 at 1 minute 58 seconds. That's very fast guys. It's coming home. Italy, no, it's for Rome. What a shattered dreams for England. Italy winning 3-1 from England memes. All of the Reddit. Here they come. Yes, meme twister is taking over internet guys. Son, dad, what does chat means? Dad, ass eating made simple. Wow, what a nice explanation. England loses the final. Memes literally second later. Memes literally seconds later. It's showtime. Oh my god, what a show. How do I feel when I have to scroll down to the year I was born? Yes guys, it is absolutely irritating. Even our own birth year is making us irritated. Never expected that guys. Phone this side, no, that side. Yeah, it's a universal law. You should never change it. England fans, boo. Italy fans, I will respectfully hear your hum. Wow, what a nice fans. Maybe England fans should learn from Italy fans. Italy players breathe. England crowd, boo. They are booing for the breathe. That is madness guys. Ex-classmate me. Yes, we should better ignore him when mom comes home and smells the aroma of relaxation in the air. Why mom, why? Why you are always angry at us? Say something smart. Kowalski, 6 into 9 plus 6 plus 9 equal to 69. That is very smart guys. Maybe we should use this trick someday. Virgins making memes in 2025 be like, you may be old, but are you this old? Corona. I think it may be funny now guys, but in few years, it may be our reality. We ain't eating pizzas from today. Wow, what a decision from England, but this is over the top. India women versus England women second T20. Indian women's team beat England by 8 runs. Whole Reddit. Even in cricket. Oh man, the animosity is traveling all over the sports. I think it should stop immediately. Me at 10. I will never date anyone. Me at 17. Oh fuck, I was right. Me at 27. Why did I have to be right? Finally, at least we are right at one thing. It's coming home. No, it's coming Rome. As of now, most of the Italian status would be this. What is your Nexus event, Mr. Parker? I paid my rent. Oh my god, this is an unbelievable Nexus event. But we definitely want Spider-Man multiverse. Okay guys, all the things said in this video are just for fun. Don't take it anything seriously. If you enjoy this content, just like and subscribe this channel guys. More meme review videos are on the way. Bye guys.